Not bad. I like white. So on my ears, it looks like this. Okay, first of all, forgive me for that video. That was some weird hairstyle for me. Anyways, we have new package. It's from QCY. They've sent us their T18 model earbuds because they like the video so much in my YouTube channel. Please do check that out. And yeah, we are going to review this product. Let's go. What is up, you guys? Josiah here from Josiah the Tech, and we are going to unbox the QCY T18 Mellow Buds. On the previous video, I reviewed the T13 earbuds, but this is the T18. The difference is it has Snapdragon sound in it. This earbuds is using the Qualcomm QCY 3050 chip, so that the T18 supports Snapdragon sound, offering super high fidelity wireless audio. It has aptX adaptive, aptX voice, and low latency. It also has multi-point connection so that you can connect this device to multiple devices at the same time. For its battery life, it can reach up to 30 hours of playing time, 7 hours on the earbuds plus 23 hours with its charging case. You can also pair this with the QCY application on your Apple Store and on the Play Store, so you can personalize your sound quality or your sound likings. After using the QCY T18 Mellow Buds, I've been in love with the sound quality on this device. And I've been in love with the QCY branding with the T13 earbuds before, with its budget line, T13 costing around 899 pesos. Now I think it's only 800 pesos on Shopee and Lazada. Right now for the QCY T18, this might be my daily drivers for a while. Yeah. If you have any more questions on the QCY T18 Mellow Buds, I'll be happy to answer them on the comment section below, and I'll be posting the links where you can purchase these earbuds, as well as the QCY webpage. Well, that is it for another earphone unboxing and slight review. Well, I'll see you on the next tech tip. Have a great day, everyone.